Hello all, this is Noob Nights. We have developed a web app for Codebreak Hackathon. This web app name is EmoSong, which gives songs as the output based on the emotions as given by the user. So let's start with the demonstration. Here we have our PYNB file and we have imported the required libraries. And here is the dataset we have used. In this dataset, you can see that we have two columns, pixels and emotion. Pixels are basically the image pixels, which is in the form of array. And for target variable, we have emotion. Here, emotion has been represented as numbers, and using the dataset source we have used from Kaggle, we have seen that these emotions have basically correspondence with the emotions, and so we have mapped these emotions with these numbers. And here we have created an emotion string which shows the uh, emotions by the dataset. First image is angry, second image is also angry, third image is fear. And here is the creating, and here we have created feature variables. Actually, features were in the form of array, so we have used to reshape them. We reshaped them, and this is the images. These are the images, and here we have created the target variables. And for the features, we have normalized the pixels so that they can be mapped easily. And here is the splitting of training and test data. And here is the build, and here is the model building. We have used TensorFlow library for creating neural network, and these layers are the layers of our deep learning model. We have performed hyperparameter tuning using Keras tuner library. This Keras tuner library gave us the best model, and we have used this model for prediction purpose. Here we have used fitting of, and we are it is the fitting of the model. We performed 50 epochs, and this is the reshaping of array, which then gets mapped with the image. This image is the real world image, and we have performed prediction, and here it gives output as 3, and here 3 maps with happy. This shows that this person is happy. Here is the Python file where we detect face using har cascade method, and this function then crops the face out of the whole image. And this is the text file which shows the different genres based on emotions, and then these songs are then recommended to the user. Thank you.